Hi friends, my name is Arigya Patil. A is a apple, a. B is for ball, b. C is for cat, k. D is for dog, d. E is for elephant, a. F is for fish. G is for gorilla, g. Gorilla. H is for hand, h. I is for igloo, e. J is for juice, j. K is for kite, k. L is for lion, M is for monkey. N is for nose, O is for octopus,